Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a color picker in native macOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you guys the output. So here you can see that I have this label and I have this button. If I click on this button, here you can see I get this color picker option and I can pick a color from any whatever is there on the screen. So suppose if I try to pick color from this blue color of our from our Xcode. So if I click on this, here you can see it gives the entire color name. So I think this is in RGB format and this is the hex color which I am also displaying. So yeah, that's how it is. Let's see how to do this. So here I have created a native macOS application using Swift and I am using AppKit or the Cocoa framework, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And here I have just created one NS text field to display the label, and here I have one button, and on click of that button we are just displaying this color picker. So here you can see that I have assigned this pick color option like click listener to our button as well, and here we are calling setup UI. So here we are just adding our color label as well as pick color button to our view. Then I am just doing NS layout constraints to our color label as well as our pick color button. So once pick color is called, we are just using this NSColorSampler method, okay, and with the help of that whatever color has been picked, we just get that color over here. So I am just displaying selected color is equal to picked color, and I am also converting this picked color to hexadecimal color with the help of this particular method. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is to display a color picker in native macOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.